we will see how to fix error nesting not allowed 2150xT7 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error on your Windows 11 and 10 system, then here are the process. Go to your affected app. For example, right click on affected app and choose properties. And here choose compatibility from the top menu bar. Click on it. And here make the check against option run this program in compatibility mode for, and also make the check against option run this program as an administrator. So go to your problematic affected app and run this program as administrator. Choose apply and OK to save the changes and check whether your application error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows settings by pressing Win+I shortcut key. And here from the left side, go to Windows Update. And from the right side, click on check for updates. And if any update available, pending action available, then simply complete it. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of error appear on your screen. So you must update your operating system. The next one is go to run dialog box, right click on the start button and choose run. And here type appwiz.cpl. It will open program and feature window in control panel. Click on OK. Here look for your problematic app, affected app, and simply select it and choose uninstall. Uninstall your affected app which causing this type of error and uninstall it and install a fresh version of that app. Next one is again launch run dialog box, and in run command box type rstrey to open system restore windows. Click on OK. It will open system restore files and settings windows. System restore. Click on next. Here restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected events. Choose a restoration point. So more restore point and choose a restore point. You may create a restore point also and choose them and click on next. This selected backup could not be found. System restore is looking for a restore point. So choose another system restore point. You may create own restore point and click on next and finally confirm your restoration point. Click on finish. After that, don't forget to restart your system. Your Windows 11 and 10 error